I'm back to using my jugs. We're out here Saturday. Kind of got some old rotten bluegill. We're gonna set out some jugs here. See, there's different ways to jug line. You can anchor your jugs or you can drift your jugs. I prefer drifting because I don't have sonar and it's hard for me to find the fish at times. It's not so small. Normal custom is to go ahead and bleed them out. Get these circle hooks out, man. Right in the corner of the mouth. Once again, anybody wants to try these, again, I'm always willing to. I reset the coupon code for the month of October. I reset it every month, so the first 10 people who get it get the floats, and then I can reset it every month and let some more people try. Okay? So that's a blessing. I'm happy to have that fish. Oh, he's got some speed. And a set of intercept course. You gotta kind of see where they're going and intercept. And we had. Oh, come on, buddy. Too late, buddy. Yeah. So anytime you see that, you execute another pass. He's not hooked well, fellas. Oh, okay. Hooked right through the bottom lip. Yeah, I know it, buddy. Here, I think they're scared or something when they do that. I don't know. I'd be scared. There's this big 6-foot monster gonna eat me, you know? Just like, just go ahead and bleed them out. It's a whole lot easier to clean them when you go ahead and bleed them out. Oh gosh, we'll just do upside down, man. That's all I got. I don't want to risk losing them. Got another one over there. Oh my goodness, we're in for a day job. Here we go. Oh! Took it under, man. Want to get him before he gets back to the bank. That's the main challenge. You're in a race. That's why I like using the motor and not a trolling motor. This dude barrel rolling like a freaking T-38, man. I can hear him grunting through the line. The line's actually transmitting the frequency. He's like, grunt, grunt, grunt. Okay. Right there in the roof of the mouth, really. I like it when they get like that. If they're feisty like that, I'll just shut the motor down and just kind of fight them on the line here. Barely hooked. Well, I don't know. The barb of the hook's in the meat, but just this may be like a female here. All right. Little pigs. And nearly, well, most of the pieces have been dunked in that shark chum stuff. Right. Smaller, but eating good eating size. There are leeches on him. Right there. People ask me all the time, what do you do about reversing your boat? I'm reversing. You see, you get a freaking paddle and you go backward. That's what you do. We may head on in, man. We got, once again, we not even 12 noon and we got enough time to watch the game. Think we can get him on the first pass? Ah, got it. Don't catch too many of these this part of the river, but he ate that bluegill, boy. Oh, yeah, he just realized somebody's trying to go. Oh, ha, ha, ha. He just realized somebody's coming to get him. But hey, missed him again. There we go. Come on, dude. This guy's kind of smart, man. He waits till we get right up on him, then he'll head perpendicular to your approach. There we go. Oh yeah. He got a lot of fight, or she, maybe I should say, I don't know. See, that's the piece he hit. That's all he hit. These guys are feeding too. They know it. They know the seasons are changing. All that twisting they do, that triple threat swivel just takes all the twist out of the line. No matter how much they twist, that line, that swivel just. This guy would be, or lady, I guess, maybe she'd be fun on about a 9-weight fly rod. At least I can eat this week, right? Come on, buddy. All we got is 30-pound line, so we're not trying to horse him in, but I'm used to hand lining with light line. It's just easy to me. Do not wrap this hand line around your hand. Oh, dude, what is with these catfish and pooping on people, man? Do we even have space in the cooler? He's still pooping, man. Oh. Seriously, dude. It's about a month's worth of food right there in that cooler for me. Don't know what the winter's gonna be like, so we're catching them now. This is the time of the year to really catch them.